the number please change shop over 1 week. On which day did Miss Chin sell the most number of umbrellas? Monday, 5 number of umbrellas sold. Tuesday is 15 umbrellas sold. Wednesday is 25 number of umbrellas sold. And Thursday is 22 number of umbrellas sold. And Friday is 20. Saturday is 20. And Sunday is 30. On which day did Miss Chin sell the most number of umbrellas? The greatest number here is 30. So it's Sunday.
So you decide it's Sunday because it's the greatest number.
Of umbrellas sold.
Yeah. So why will you choose the greatest number?
Because it says the most number.
So the keyword is.
Most number.
Can you circle the keyword, please?
Which two days were the number of umbrellas sold the same? It is Friday, Saturday. Because the Friday is 20 umbrellas sold, and Saturday is also 20 umbrellas sold. Because Friday and Saturday.
So you decided Friday and Saturday being the same based on the number that you read from the graph as 20. Is that so? Okay. In what other ways can you tell that Friday and Saturday is the same?
Friday and Saturday from Thursday is still the same. The line is equal.
Okay, so it's a flat straight line. That's why you can tell it's the same. Can you put your book down?
What increase in the number of umbrellas sold from Monday to Wednesday? So minus 25 and 5. So the increase in the number of umbrellas sold from Monday to Wednesday is 20.
Well, but if I base on what Afik said yesterday about increase, he said increase is like more. Then some of our friends will understand increase as more and more is plus. How come you are using minus here?
So the increase in the add is the total. The increase in the subject is get the difference, which is the increase.
Zahir, can you hear what I say? Can you please say it louder? Cannot hear you. You're already at the microphone with you. Say it as loud as you were talking to Jeji.
Because when we add, we will get the total of Monday to Wednesday. But when we minus, we will get the difference, which is the increase from Monday to Wednesday.
Okay, so the word that tells you are looking for difference, the question is, so the word increase indicates that you are looking for the difference. How much change did happen from Monday to Wednesday? So when you're looking for the difference, is using subtraction, not addition, even though increase is talking about it becoming more. Then the question is, how much more? How are they not equal? How much more? So you should be using minus instead of plus. In this case, like Rashan said, if you use plus, you end up finding total instead. Okay, carry on.
How many umbrellas were sold on Saturday and Sunday altogether? Saturday is 30 and Sunday is 30. So we must add 30 plus 20, which is 50. So the total number of umbrellas sold on Saturday and Sunday altogether is 50.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Now, Rakshan, if I give you a chance to set another question, okay? Now there's A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D questions. If I give you a chance to set another question, like question E, can you give us a suggestion? What kind of question you like to ask your friends?
What is the total number of umbrellas sold from Monday to Sunday?
That's a very good suggestion. Okay, well, I'll give him a round of applause. So, do you think you can answer his question? Yes, so his question was, how many umbrellas did he sold from Monday to Sunday in the entire week? Okay, yes, Zahir? You added all the numbers, is it? Yes. Wow, that's very fast. Now, Zahir, then, if I give you an opportunity, can you pose a different question for your friends? That is not got to do with totals. Okay, what would that be? What is the decrease from Wednesday to Friday? Oh, that's a good question too. We give him a big clap also. Now, Ashan, Zahir has answered your question on totals from Monday to Sunday. Can you answer his question? His question is, what's the decrease from Wednesday to Friday? So, Zahir's question is, what is the decrease from Wednesday to Friday? He says it's 5. How do you get 5?
25 minus 20.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job, Ashan. Okay, thank you very much. Give you a round of applause. Okay, you may go back to the seat. Okay, let's give Rakshan a rating for his explanation. Okay, show me a 5 if you feel that he did very well. Excellent. Okay, how about a 4? Okay, a 3. 3 because I didn't write. Not enough, right? The microphone is still not loud enough. Just talking, it will be very loud. Right? I have to turn up the volume of the microphone. You have to feel confident about speaking. Okay? You cannot be mumbling to the problem. Okay, with the microphone, you need help to be better. But imagine you are going to present this to all the primary 4 students on the stage. Okay, public speaking. And you need to be able to feel confident about speaking. That was a very good try. Okay, Rakshan? Okay, moving on. Okay, who's supposed to go next? Stefan. Okay, 666. Test. Speak louder. Please go.
The tank was filled completely full of water at 10 a.m. Water was allowed to flow out of the tank from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The line graph shows the volume of water that flowed out at each hour interval of 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The question asks what was the tank from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. shows that the volume of water that flowed out at each 1 hour interval of 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay.
10 a.m. is 60 liter, and then 11 a.m. is 40 liter, and 40 liter, and this is 10 liter.
Okay. That's good.
What was the capacity of the tank? The tank is the first serving, so the capacity of the tank is 60 liter.
Now, how do you know that at first is the capacity? What does it mean by capacity?
The total of water in the tank at first.
You see?
With the amount of water.
Amount? Okay, come down. Just see, you say first. Cool. Okay, does she say the term capacity? Here, circle the word capacity. So she says the term capacity means how much water the container can hold. Okay, but he's still not saying the keyword yet. What is the keyword? Okay, look again. Yes. Kaisa? Yes. The total volume of water a container can hold. Still something is missing. A keyword is missing. Look at the question. The question states a very important keyword that explains the word capacity. What words are those? Thank you very much. So these two words are very important. You miss out these two words. Because of the two words completely full, it means that if at first it is completely full, then at first it will mean that that's the capacity. Because the amount of water it can hold when the tank is completely full. That's what it means by capacity. Not the amount of water the container can hold. The container can hold many different amounts. I can have a big tank, but it's not full. It can still hold 5 liter, can hold 2 liter, can hold 3 liter. But the question about capacity is how much you can hold until it's like full to the brim. Okay? Alright, carry on.
Because down here is 0 liter, that means at what time was the tank empty? Empty means it has 0 liter, which has no water. So down here we see the lowest and we see 0, so 0 liter, so it's 2 pm.
Okay, very good explanation for that. So he focused on the keyword says empty. Right? Right.
How much water had flowed out of the tank by 11 a.m.? So we look at 11 a.m., which is 40 liter. So we need to see that 60 liter minus 40 liter equals 20 liter.
Why is it not 40 liter?
Because we need to see the starting time, which is 10 a.m. and the end time is 11 a.m. So we need to use the total minus 11 a.m. to get the answer.
Why is it a total then? It didn't say start at 10, right?
Because 10 is the earliest.
So which part of the question tells you that you got to look at 10 and then subtract 11 o'clock from it?
By 11 a.m.
Okay, so he saw the term by 11 a.m. That means there's a timing you have to pay attention to. There's a duration going on. But the keyword actually was flow out. Why did he choose to do minus? Because he already understood that the story says the tank was full, it started to flow out. The question is not asking about the tank at the start. It's not asking about the tank after they flow out is how much. It's asking how much water flow out of the tank. So you do the tank's volume at the start minus the tank volume at 11 a.m. to find out what was the change. And that change is also known as the term difference by now. So by now we need to understand this change has a term that is called difference. Now, is this difference a decrease or increase? Decrease. How do I know it's decrease?
Because it says flow out.
Because it says flow out. What other ways I can know that it's decrease? If I look at the graph,
Going down.
line going down. Can you understand these points? Now you realize that these terms are repeating every question. So if you can remember these key words and understand words like difference, change, increase, decrease, then many line graph questions are doable and easy for you. Move on, please.
Okay, so at what time was 1/6 of the volume of water left in the tank? So the total again is 60 liter. Then we need to find 1/6, which is 6. So 60 liter divided 6 equals 10. So 10 liter was there. Because they want to find 1/6. And then what is left in the tank?
Okay. So is 10 liter the answer? What was the question? What time? So the keywords of what time is important. Is 10 liters the time? No,
So
okay.
10 liter is 1 p.m. So 10 liter equals 1 p.m.
Is it equal?
No, but 10 liter.
So is there another symbol I can use?
Yes.
Yes. Or is it approximately 1 p.m.? Is 10 liter equal to 1 p.m.? Are they equal? No, they're two different units, you know. You can't use equal, you can't use approximately equal. So you can use an arrow to represent. Very good. I heard someone say that. You can use an arrow or a colon also can. Okay, or can this do? Or you can write down answer 1 p.m. Can, but you cannot use equal, it's not equal. Okay? Can? All right. Okay, good job. Thank you very much, Stephen. Let's give you a round of applause. Okay, let's give a rating for Stephen's explanation. Show me. Okay, Farah, can you explain why you give him a 5? Hey, hello. I'm asking Farah. Are you Farah? Farah, you're Farah number 2? Yes? Farah? No, why do you at first want to give it 5? What? So you say now you give it 4. So that's not, are you saying that Laura is right because he's your friend? So yeah, okay, now then. I tell you what, that you were saying 5, then you change to 4. So I take it that the 1 point went to friendship. Okay. Now why is it 4 or 5 then? Okay, so most of the time his explanation was quite clear. Okay, and yes, Aiden, something to say. Say, quite clear, right? Okay, Tashin, something to add? Okay, so yes. So second is something that you need to work on also. Tashin is right. You missed out some of the important keywords in the question. And that may be a challenge also when you are doing your questions. Okay, which also means you see, as you go through the most of the questions, as I was asking you questions, you can get them right. You can get most of the things right. But there are times when you just miss out a keyword, you got to understand this slightly wrong. Okay, so you must be careful in when you are answering the question. Okay, the last one. Last one, that's Zahir, right? And Baha, which question are you doing? The last one. Zahir, which one are you doing? Also last one. Okay, can we hear from Baha first then? And then Zahir go. Then we are switching activity already. The last one on the math journal task. Come, we can check if you wrote. Is yours written down? Come, can show us what you wrote. Okay, give a round of applause for Stefan and also now Pamela. Okay, come. Zahra, can I take a look at yours? Okay, after you explain, huh? Yes. Then you can stick around here. Okay. Come. Okay.
Yeah.
Please read the question first.
This
Come down here.
test results using a spreadsheet program. To then display the test results using a line graph. If a line graph is supposed to second gain result, give your reason. Tell us what type of graph may be more suitable to show this result.
Okay. Ariel, to show us what you wrote.
When we use a line graph, the line graph mostly shows the difference.
Okay.
But when we use the bar graph, it shows the amount of not each subject got clearly.
Okay. I think I got what Maha meant. Who understand what is Maha explaining? I know. Okay, who doesn't quite get what he's saying? Okay, so Maha, I think you need to explain further. Even though some of your friends understand and Mr. also understand, but I think your friends didn't quite get it. Could you give a little bit more explanation regarding why the line graph might not be suitable?
Because in the English and mother tongue, it shows the differences, the improvement.
Yeah.
And the mother tongue,
Yeah.
the difference.
That's a very good explanation. He pointed out the idea of when you want to use the line for comparison, the line graph, a lot of times you use it for. Yes, the line graph is easier for comparison. Okay. And then it's more, right? You wouldn't want to start this with 0. Does it always have to start with 0? And you look at the previous example, does it always start with 0? No, No, that's so definitely that concept a bit wrong. It's not always line graph must start at 0. Let's say I measure your height today. That's why I measure your height today, and I want to see at the end of primary 6 how much it goes taller. Should I start with 0? Right now. So you must understand that, not all graphs will start with 0, 0. You have to see what the story about. Now, okay, I'll explain this a little bit more, but I think Farah, you wrote it and explained quite well. I'd like to give Farah a round of applause. Okay, leave it here. How about it? Okay, come. Good job, huh? You leave it here, leave it here. Okay, you sound a little nervous. Are you nervous? I asked you to leave it here. Okay. Are you nervous? Okay. Okay. All right, Zahir, let's go.
Here, see the differences. Just see the differences, but when you use the paragraph, you can see it comes to what trying to take twice and see how much.
Hey, are you listening?
How much
I think Zahir is because you're not clear enough. Can you speak directly into the mic? Test, test. Louder. I hold it for you. Speak louder.
he's trying to see his words individually, not the differences in it. So if you use a paragraph, see if you use a paragraph, it's more easier to see the individual, and you use a line graph individually to see the differences.
Okay, that's very good. Not quite hear him, but let me repeat what he said and read and also explain it further. So there, both of them are actually explaining very similar points, which is correct. Okay, so it's explaining that actually look, the truth is they explain, hey, line graph usually you want to use because you want to observe that time when we talk about the YouTube video, remember what we talked about when we talk about the YouTube? People upload a video on their channel and watch see how many views, the changes and things like that. So when we talk about certain K-pop song very popular, what is it that you observe about this line graph? You are looking at comparison, you are looking at over a period of time how things change. This is also known as the keyword I said. Line graph, we are looking at the word trend. You know the word trend? Do you know what is trendy or not? Do you know what is the meaning of trendy? Yes. So usually a line graph is used to see a trend, how things changes over time. And the keyword that we're using a lot today was differences. Increase, decrease differences. Okay? But in this case, it is not meaningful to look at these subjects using a line graph. Would you compare English, maths, and science like that? It's a bit odd, right? Yeah, you can't say that it changed over time. So like Zahir said, it's more meaningful because, or using a bar graph because you want to look at the individual subjects. The subjects are not really related to each other, right? So you can't say that, oh, the English improved, then improved, then mother tongue, very odd. But if you're looking at, say, I use a line graph for English from term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, then maybe it makes more sense. Right? So in this case, a bar graph is more suitable. Okay, thank you very much, Nakia and Okay, with that, I'm done with the chapter. The conclusion of this chapter is going to be clear. Why you want to use table, when to use table, when to use telegraphs, when to use bar graphs, when to use line graphs, and how you read graphs and understand information and solve problems with graphs. Okay, that's it. You're done with graphs. If you feel that your work is complete and you're ready to submit, raise your hand. The whole chapter I'm ready to hand in. The only left blank one is the NAFA batch result, which I don't have. Only Mr. Kumar will have. Okay, so I can't fill in the NAFA. You managed to fill it on your own? That's great. If you have the results, you can fill it in. I do not have it anymore. I can help you to check with Mr. Omar. Or you can ask Mr. Omar. Okay? If there's a new, have you had a new test yet? Not yet? Is it? Okay, never mind. We are want to try. I already planned an activity for us to do for today. Okay. So if you feel ready to submit your whole chapter, you can come and give it to me. If you think you're not ready yet, okay, Can we submit this whole chapter latest by Thursday? The whole time chapter length until page 168, second paragraph. So we are done with life now. Okay, ready now. If you are done with the whole of life chapter, okay, from page number 157 to 168.
4
No, the blanks are for your own ideas. Where will you type based on? You type based onto the bigger pieces of cake over there. Now, what about this one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This 8 duration here, I mean, this 8 duration here matches with the 8 here. Can you hear what I'm saying? These 8 timing matches with the 8 here, but they are not the correct order. You have to order them. Now, there are 2 things you need to do. Number 1, three things you need to do. Can you look at me now? If you cannot go home later, you need to answer my phone. They ask you to pay attention. There are 3 things you need to do. Number 1, match the timings correctly, duration, match to the correct activity. Number 2, you need to order which duration is the shortest in increasing order to the activity that takes the longer duration. Can you understand? The one that takes the shortest time and then first line up accordingly to the one that takes the longest time. Can you understand? Third activity, third thing to do, there are blanks. You can fill in the blanks with your own idea together with your own blanks duration. How long do you think an activity takes for your activity suggested duration? And keep in mind, they must also go according to your order. Can you understand? Okay, once you can understand the first, that person will take over for the paper, go over there, get 1 scissors, 1 glue, and 1 paper. Okay. Once you're ready, I'm going to come around with my camera and take video of your section. You may begin your class now. I'm so happy to see you don't have to sit down, you stand up. You on the question. No. Yes, what do you think? Either instead of talking, why don't you talk about? Are you arranged in order? You have the timing as well.
You always want to cut the first one.
Okay.